Hey guys, just want to let you know I'm here at the Christmas Wish office, broadcasting live, trying to help out other people. Someone not only took a bite out of my Christmas, just spit everywhere, Christmas tree cake, wrapped it up like this, placed it. Did I just bust you? What did you just do? I knew you ate it, you little sucker. He ate it. All I know is I don't know how you didn't eat the whole thing.
I did not eat that.
You
Why
did.
do you tell all these lies about me?
Y'all know that's totally a Chad thing to do.
It is not.
Let's go show him a Christmas wish office.
Okay, you lead.
Okay, well here, this is where I broadcast, right in here.
Okay, that's awesome. Let's go this way.
You want to show him the auction items? You have my Christmas tree cake! You put that, don't you, oh.
Take that, Jaclyn!